Hello, I'm back again with word of the day, so let's find out what word it is. Could you see these pictures and guess the word? Are they very much concerned, very much careful, focused? Could you guess the word? Okay, let me give you a hint. It starts with M. Great, and the word is meticulous, and it's an adjective, which means paying careful attention to every detail. Now, do you see these pictures suiting that definition? Looking into every detail. Great. Alright, so let's look at the example sentences. Their room had been prepared with meticulous care. She planned her trip in meticulous detail. Did she look into every detail of her trip? Every single thing. I'm sure she had analyzed it so well, planned it so well. Okay, the last sentence. He's always meticulous in keeping the record up to date. Is he very much careful and concerned? He pays attention? Does he pay attention? Right, yes, he does. Okay, so do you have any synonyms in mind? Good. Accurate. Fastidious. Thorough. Any positive meaning words in mind? Antonyms. Great. Careless. Slapdash. Great. Now let's look at the pronunciation. Remember, it's very important to learn spelling and practice pronunciation of the word. Now listen and repeat.
Meticulous.
Meticulous. Once again.
Meticulous.
One last time.
Meticulous.
Fantastic, you've learned a new word. See you again.